A company is planning to use robotic process automation to streamline its hiring activity. The challenge what the company was facing earlier was that first of all they were hiring people, they were going to the management institutes, colleges, universities, and this resulted in what come on a high recruitment cost. You have to go there, sit there, and it's a high recruitment cost. That's the thing actually here, and very inefficient yield. Say example, I interview 1,000 candidate, and I just end up selecting two or three. So very inefficient, high yield, and there is a very high recruitment cost. We have to send the people there, the university, their travel cost, their stay cost. They have to travel to some other cities, actually, colleges. Okay, so my office will be in say Bangalore. I have to go and visit other places, say Pune, Bombay, or nearby places like say Chennai. Okay, so a lot of cost is involved and inefficient, higher yield, and there's a lack of diversity. Diversity means, in the sense, actually, I should have people from all parts of India, across the world, actually here. So that increases the sensitivity among the people. You are sensitized about the each other's culture. Okay, I want people from north, south, east, west, all parts of India, and even from outside India. So the problem with the recruitment process was there was a lack of diversity, inefficient high yield, and there was a high recruitment cost involved. Now, here the question is that how can you use a robotic process automation to automate the hiring process actually here? And what are the steps which are involved here actually here? What steps are involved actually? How can you use robotic process automation to streamline the hiring process in a company? So robotic process automation definitely can be used to streamline the process, the hiring process actually here in the company. It can definitely help it actually. First of all, they place advertisements on social media or career advice sites. Okay, so they're giving advertisements actually on the social media or the career advice sites actually. They're giving advertisements. That's the first thing actually here. And also the link will direct the candidate to career site actually. That's the thing here. So they will redirect the candidate actually here to a career site actually. That is the thing actually. So that is the first thing actually. So what are the steps we can include it here? First of all, placing an advertisement on the social media. I can use it using robotic process automation, or I can place advertisements on career advice site. That's the thing here. Then the link which redirects the candidate to the career site. That's the thing here. Then what happens actually here? So the career site will pull the information of the candidate. So they will pull the information of the candidate actually here. Okay, an algorithm will scan the applications which are given by the applicant for the desired and suitable roles actually. So there'll be an algorithm which will run actually, and it will go through the applications actually here. So for the desired and suitable roles actually, and the selected candidate will be asked basically to play what you can say online games to assess their skills actually. So some games will be played actually here to assess the skills actually, and certain percentage of those applicants are called for video interview using an interview software. So there will be an interview software which will be triggering the video interview, and they will be called to attend this interview. That's the thing actually here. Okay, so these are the various things actually. First of all, placing a advertisement on social media or career media sites, link which redirects the candidates to a career site. Then career site will pull the information of a candidate. Then algorithm will scan the applications, and he will select the candidate which are desired and suitable role. Then selected candidate will be asked to play online games actually, just to check their skills. And lastly, what happens is that certain candidates who have responded very well, they have responded nicely, So they are called for a video interview using a video software. So automating a hiring process definitely will involve the reduction in full-time effort involvement. Actually, that is the thing here. Okay, and provide with a wider assessment range. It will provide definitely provide a wider assessment range. Actually, that's the thing. It will reduce the impact of the recruiter biases. Actually, okay, that's the thing here. So first of all, there'll be a wider assessment range, and definitely time is saved. That's the thing here. And any recruiter bias which is involved, that is also we can overcome. That's the thing here. It'll increase of efficiency, basically increase of efficiency of mapping of interested candidate. Actually, that's the thing here. So you increase the efficiency of mapping of the interested candidate, you reduce the recruitment cost is reduced. Actually, there's an increase higher result. That's the thing here. It reduces the time to hire. That's the thing here. It increases the diversity. That's the thing actually. So it will reduce the recruitment cost. It will increase the higher yield. It will reduce the time to hire. Okay, and also there'll be increase in the diversity. So the robotic process automation will solve several issues of the company, and that is why definitely it's a very wonderful solution for the hiring activity.